There's a costume contest that we joined in, and the theme was about Flintstones. So the best costume gets to win an overnight accommodation at the hotel. So we gave our best shot. So instead of having a normal Flintstones costume, the X factor here is the creation of stone vehicle used in the Flintstones cartoon. I knew nobody would ever think about that, so I created one using some styrofoams, and off we go. By the way, her costume is Wilma Flinstones. There's a few activities during that time, and it was fun.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Go!
Go!
Wow! Pili mo talaga sila yung meant to be. Look at them, orange! Okay ka naman.
Picture!
Ano po name mo?
Precious sa Persia.
Wow! Tagalin mo na, baby. Sino gumawa ng costume mo?
Kinaki siya kapulado.
Wow! Palamakan po natin. Wow!
Ano name?
Balasa ang aming golden dinosaur. And definitely 5 more minutes. Turn around. We will be giving our best.
Okay lang yan, okay lang. Okay lang
For
yan.
this one goes to
And guess what? We killed it. We won.
here an overnight accommodation in a superior room with breakfast for 2. And this one goes to baby.
Baby Precious! Congratulations!
And that's something that you can take inspiration from if you're looking for a costume that is Flintstones inspired. And that's it for this video. Done.
Lupa.